Doing the step again, SAP reference ING. Let's search for your personal management. Under your personal management, personal administration. Under that personal data. Again, personal data. Then create form of address. If it's not there, I'll create on H. Long text. Data is saved, come back. Next, we have to define the status. Okay. Path remains the same. Create material status. Create material status. Okay. It is not MER, it is MARITAL. MARITAL. Okay. Create, activate.
Sir, can you go back? Like I didn't note down, if you don't mind.
What meant?
Sir, can you go one step back? I didn't note down.
Path remains the same main.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
activate. You will get this interface. Here you can also use the standard one, that is 0 stands for single and 1 stands for married, 2 stands for widow, 3 stands for divorce, and NM, I don't know, this is customized one, and they have created. Based on this, you can also create your own material status. For an example, I click on new entries. Here again, I'll give 0 or else 1 I'll give, and here I'll give it as married. One is your marriage status, material status, and another one is description of that. Give this information and then save. Married. Huh? ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಡಿವೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆನಾ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ನಾವು in the previous one I have created only Mr. right when you are creating you have to create Mr. Miss, Mr.'s three things you have to create and this you have to create single married divorce three things you have to create okay in everything I'm showing to create I'm just showing any one okay when you are creating you have to create multiple things come back the next one will be your address the path remains the same under personal data expand the address so I do it again come back SPRO SAP reference INC search for personal management under that personal administration under personal administration again search for personal data wait for a second it is loading yes personal data again no need to expand the personal data only once you have to expand the personal data after that expand addresses okay then you will get the first one create address types activate you will get this interface so in this interface majorly what you will be discussing is whatever the address you are creating okay whether it is permanent address temporary address or else your home address emergency address your post address or else mailing address you have to mention that see here The first, when you are creating, you have to create permanent address, temporary address, home address, emergency address, and mailing address. These 5 things you have to create on your base. Okay, you have to give any 4 characteristics and create it. Okay, new create ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 4 create ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, click on new entries. Now I am creating only one as permanent. Now any 4 characteristics and it is alphanumeric. Subtitle. Permanent address. Okay, and then you have time construction. Time construction is nothing about when we created our holiday class. Sorry, your public holidays. Before that, I have discussed about the classes, 3 class. You remember? Class. Gap is there, no gap. See the topic which I have done before the public calendar. Class. Yeah. The same classes will be applied here also. No gap. Everything the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, it is customized. Don't worry about it. But 1, 2, 3 remains the same. Overlap, no lap, everything will be the same. So in this case, I'm taking 1, saying that no gap. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ನಮ್ದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು 1 ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರವರಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿಯೋದು ಸೇವ್ enter and save. Then come back.
Yeah.
Next is your family. Next is family. Sorry. Next is your family. Expand the family. Here you have to go with the first one. Define possible family member. Define possible family member. Path remains the same till your personal data. Family. The family, define possible family. Talking boldly, Nanda. Okay, now go. Yeah. Okay. Now the first one, define possible member. You have many things which is related to your family. You can add additional children. Basically, you will be maintaining the employee details. When we are maintaining employee details, we have to maintain all the details of an employee. Where, what is the date of birth, address, how many members you have in your family, any additional children. Okay. It's like today I have John. After 1 year, I will be getting one more bill. Okay. The baby also should be added in your personal data. Okay. This also, if the company is requirement, you can do it. Now it is not necessary. So I'm doing the possibility one, that is define possible family member. Activate. Okay. If you will get possible member, family member. Okay. So here, click on new entries. Any 4 characteristics you can give. I'll give the same Nava. And here I'll give type. Time constraint will be the same. Again here 1. And objective, don't run it. Okay, let it be disabled. So, go for save. If it is whenever it is allocating in yellow, it is a minor error. Just give enter, automatically it will be saved. It has already existed. Change the characteristics in a V1, enter, it will show in yellow, again give enter, then it will prompt customize it to come save. This is address. This is family member. Right? Now you can create. Start presenting and create. I told you in each step, like in first one, form of address, you have to create 3 things, Mr., Miss, and Misters. And in material status, there you have to create single, divorced, married. And address, permanent address, you have to create the first 5 things you have to create. Permanent, permanent, temporary, mailing, home, and post. Okay, and when it comes to your family, just only one step, do it up. That's it. Now you can start doing it. I'll stop sharing.